My name is Rolla. I'm the Fund Director for AmplifyChange, and I'm also the Safeguarding Lead for MannionDaniels, which is what I'm here to talk to you about today. Safeguarding is much more than a compliance issue for us. It actually rests in our very values and business code of ethics at MannionDaniels, and it should do with all of grantees because of the vulnerable populations we work with, and especially on sexual and reproductive health and rights. That's why in your grant agreement, you'll see in Schedule 3 that there are safeguarding principles that we ask for you to abide by when you sign the grant agreement. When you get a grant from AmplifyChange, even before you sign a contract, your policies are checked. One of those policies is the safeguarding policy. And in most cases, we will insist that you have a full and comprehensive safeguarding policy before you get your first disbursement of funding, before you get your contract. We are really happy to help you and guide you in actually developing a safeguarding policy if this is something that you don't already have. We have people who are trained in this in our team, both in English and in French, and we have guidance and examples that you can use on how to develop a safeguarding policy before you sign your contract. Some of you may have safeguarding policies already, but we will ask to have a look through them during due diligence stage. And if we feel that they're missing some key elements, we will ask you to revise them and think through how you can improve that policy and the procedures as well. Again, this may affect your contracting or your disbursements, depending on the level of differences that you have to make and changes that you have to make. I'd really encourage grantees not to just think of safeguarding as a compliance, a tick in the box, a policy that you have to get. This is really important to all of us, especially those of us who work on sexual and reproductive health and rights. And really think about your local context. What is appropriate? What is particular and specific in that context? And tell us so that we can make sure it's represented in your policy and in your procedures. I should also say that for those of you who have one of our team come and work with you on grant monitoring, we will be checking that the safeguarding processes are in place as per your policy. Again, we're happy to help at all times. My email is on our safeguarding policy, or contact your grant support team manager about anything that you have questions about.